He said, "Wasn't your hair different yesterday?" Baby, I'm a black woman. My hair was different 5 minutes ago. 'Cause one thing about us, we gonna switch it up, 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 and feel no ways about it. Might be curly at breakfast, straight for lunch, and braided by Zenaboo. Killing every style, of course, 'cause that's just how we do. So, yeah, my hair is different, but so is our style. A black woman in her switch up be the best. You never know what she going with, so don't even try to guess. On Monday, she might have box braids with a honey blonde flare. Then on Tuesday, her coworkers talking about, "Oh my God, did you cut your hair?" No, Susan, I just took my braids out, and tomorrow I might have a frohawk. So get used to it, because every time I change my hair, I am not giving a TED Talk. A black girl is too blessed to be stressed. So she might rock her natural, but take a little break with a silk press. Folk be pressed, asking, "Is that your hair?" Real blunt. But whether I grew it or I bought it, it's mine, so face front.
Just wanted to do a quick review of a dryer that I'm in love with. I purchased it and got it from Amazon yesterday. Pulled it out the box and went ahead and used it. Those of you who have thicker, coarser hair, you're familiar with this dryer and you probably own several of them. My first one was a CONAIR one, and it actually has been my go-to for probably about 15, 20 years. I've probably had 3 or 4 of them. Well, problem is the attachment combs break so easily, and I think I've replaced the combs on them probably 50 times easily. Here's what I'm talking about. Right here, the comb will break right here, or all the teeth will break, especially on the thinner tooth comb. So that's golden hot. Conair, I love y'all. I love you. Absolutely love you. This is the best dryer you've ever made. Buy this.
So I just got my package and literally so good. This one, it's infused with shea butter. I don't know how, but this is different to me. I never seen anything infused with shea butter when it comes to combs, but I plugged it in and I wanted to show you. I think it's powerful. My hair is really thick. I've been having a hard time trying to find the best blow dryer for my hair because it doesn't last or breaks. So this is on hot right now. This is warm cold, and off, low, high. This is on low. High. It's really good.